Hello students, hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my video. In this video we will learn about operations on real number. In a previous class we had learned that real number may be rational or irrational. Now we will see how operations on real number are done. That is let me give you one situation. What will happen if both are added, like a rational number and an irrational number are added or subtracted? What will we get? What type of answer will come out? Those things are to be seen here. To solve this type of situation, we need to use the basic rules of algebra, like adding, multiplying, subtracting and all. So start with, let's see the first example, number 1. 3 root 2 plus 2 root 2. These two can be added because they have the same root, that is 5 root 2. Likewise, 4 root 2 minus root 2, you can subtract it. What will you get? 3 root 2. If the root and the number inside them are similar, they can be added or subtracted. But root 2 plus root 3, though they have square root, the number inside them are not same, so you cannot add them. This is 2, this is 3, you cannot add them. Likewise here, see, now this is the rational part, rational, irrational. These two cannot be added, and this one is, the result is irrational. You have to know this. All these are irrational. Here we have one number that is rational, but rational and irrational, the sum is irrational. This has to be kept in your mind. Okay. Now this is irrational, as I said. Then number 2, we will be doing some multiplication. Root 2 into root 3. Can you multiply them? Yes, of course. This will be 2 into 3 under the same root, that is root 6. If we multiply 3 root 5 into 4, let's say root 3, what will we get? Here 3 into 4 is 12. Under the root we will keep 5 into 3, that is 12 root 15. Easy? Okay. Now what about root 2 into root 2? What if the numbers are same? That will give you root 2 into 2, root 4, that is 2. Or as a rule, you can just remember this. Root a into root a, if you multiply these two, you will get a. So root 2 into root 2, you can directly write 2. There is no need of solving or finding it. You can simply use this rule and you'll get the answer. Okay, quite easy, right? Number 3, let us divide a few number. 10, let's say 15 root 10, divide by 5 root 2. How will we do this one? So 15 root 10 by 5 root 2, this will be 15 by 5. We keep the numbers separately, and under the same root you will put 10 and 2. This can be cancelled. 5 will cancel this 3 times, and this will be dividing this 5 times. So 3 root 5. Easy, is not it? So these are the basic operation. Anyway, we will see some more examples, and we'll call it simplify. We'll be simplifying. Number 1, 2 plus root 3, and let the other one be 3 plus 2 root 3. How to simplify this? Quite simple. 2, you just open the bracket, So it's just like the simple algebra. Now if the numbers are present, you just add them or separate them according to their subtract them according to their sign. So 2 plus 3 will be 5, and here we see root 3, another root 3 is here. So how many root 3 we have here? 1 plus 2, 3 root 3. That's it. Quite simple, right? What about subtraction? Same thing. If there is a minus here, we just multiply the sign, plus into minus, and then we just put minus. The rest is same. What about multiplication? Number 2, let's see one multiplication. 2 plus root 3, and let's multiply it by 5 plus root 2. If we multiply this, what will we get? First step is we'll multiply this with this one, right? 2 into 5, 10. Again these two, 2 root 2. This and this, 5 root 3. This and this one, root 2 into root 3 is root 6. That's it. This is the answer. Let me show you one more example. What if the roots are of the same type? Like 3 plus root 2 and 3 minus root 2. Now if this is your question, if you solve it this way, it's going to take a bit see 1 2 3 steps extra. In your previous class you have learned about the formula a square minus b square, right? So that is a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So this one is in that form, a plus b, the other one a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b will give you a square minus b square. So this is 9 minus 3 square is 9. Root 2 square is root 4, and root 4 is 2. So 9 minus 2 will get how much? 7. So what we have done here, we have used a formula. What is the formula here? A plus b, a minus b when multiplied gives a square minus b square. Like this you can use formula for other questions also. Let this be number 3, this one will be number 4. Let me give you one more question like this. What if it is whole square? So you know there is a whole square formula again. You don't need to solve this way anymore. For the whole square is easier. A plus b whole square will be a square plus a plus b whole square is a square plus 2a b plus b square. Now root 3 square is 3 plus 2 root 6. This 2 when you multiply get root 6. Root 2 square is 2 again. Now this and this can be added. You cannot add this one because it has a root. You can use this number also. So you'll be using this one and this one. 3 plus 2 5 plus 2 root 6. So this is how we solve questions related on the rational numbers. Hope you understand this one. Let me indicate the formula which I've used here. A square plus 2ab plus b square. So if you go through this, you will be able to solve my next assignment without any problem. Hope you have understand the video, and if you have any doubt you can call me 986291474, please, or 7005631051. Don't just send me a message on WhatsApp, because most of the time there are other messages and we happen to neglect it, we happen not to see it. So call me on these numbers if you have a doubt. I will be surely helping you. Let that be all. Your assignment will follow on next WhatsApp message. Thank you.